Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the use of nested if function, as we have the student ID and name column, and we have the student's marks column, we have the percentage column, and we have the grades column, and we have the grading criteria. Now we only need to assign marks to no grade. It automatically calculates percentage and assign grade. Now if we decrease marks further, you can see the grade and percentage. Now if you allocate lower marks, it will become less than 60 and assign fail. Grade fail will be highlighted with red bold font. This is what we learned in this video. But before that, your kind support is required to subscribe this channel. Let's start our example. As we have the basic student data, and we have the marks of the students. First, we need to find the percentage of the students. So we use here formula equals to sum. Now select marks row to find total. Now divide the marks by 400, considering 100 marks for each subject. Now we need to drag down formula to apply below. Now we move to our grade requirements. We need to assign grades as per grading criteria, and grades should assign on percentage based. So we need to use formula equals to if. But we can use more advanced formula, and that is formula if s. Now select the percentage cell for logical test. Now use operator sign greater than equals to for our first criteria, 90%. After completing our first criteria, it should assign a grade. But in the else criteria, we again need to use the same criteria. After selecting percentage cell, again use the greater than equals to 80%. Now again in the else condition, use same criteria. This is what the nested if function. In the nested if function, we need to use multiple conditions, and formula ifs is more feasible than multiple ifs. Now we move to our fourth criteria. If percentage is greater than equals to 60, assign grade D. After completing grades, need to write here true. Finally, in the last else criteria, we use here fail. Fail is the last else criteria to conclude. Now we need to close brackets. This is the whole formula that we used here. We can match our formula with grade criteria. We can also test our formula by changing values. Each percentage is linked to our grades. After completing our formula testing, we simply need to drag down formula to apply below. This will save our time to apply formula individually. Now we again test our formula by changing values. Now we test our fail criteria by changing the marks. Now we move to highlight fail font. First, we need to select the grade column. Now go on Home tab for conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, click on the new rule option. Now we need to select the second available option. Select the specific text option. Now write our grade to highlight. Now use Format option to change Apply formatting. Make it bold and italic. Change the font color to red. Preview reflects our formatting. Now we need to click on OK option. Now our whole function and formatting is ready. We can test our functions and formulas. We only need to assign marks. It will calculate percentage and also assign grades based on percentage. If you face any issue while using it, please write in our comment section.